In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Forms answer key in just 5 minutes. Creating an answer key for your Google form can be a real game changer, especially if you're looking to automate the grading process for quizzes, tests, or any educational assessment. With a few simple clicks, Google Forms allows you to set correct answers for each question, making your life a little bit easier. So, whether you're a teacher looking to streamline your grading process or just interested in the functionality of Google Forms, you're in the right place. First things first, head over to the Google Forms website. If you're not already signed in to your Google account, click on the Sign In button. You'll then need to enter your email address, click Next, type in your password, and finally click on Sign In, again to access your Google Forms dashboard. Once you're signed in, navigate to the Google form you want to work with. If you're starting from scratch, go ahead and create a new form. For those working with an existing form, simply open the one you'd like to add an answer key to. Next, let's focus on the questions. Click on the question you want to create an answer key for. You'll notice that each question on your form is its own block, making it easy to organize and edit your form as needed. With your question selected, look towards the bottom left of the question block. You'll see an option that says Answer Key. Go ahead and click on that. This action will switch your view from the standard question view to the answer key view, where you can set the correct answer for the question. Now it's time to select the correct answer for your question. If your question is multiple choice, for instance, simply click on the choice that is correct. You can also assign point values for each question right from within this view, making it straightforward to weigh different questions according to their difficulty or importance. Remember, regardless of the type of question, be it multiple choice, true, false, or any other format supported by Google Forms, you can specify correct answers and point values using this method. Finally, once you've set your answer key for each question, make sure to review your form thoroughly. It's always good practice to double check your work to ensure that the correct answers are marked and that the point values are set to your liking. And there you have it. You've successfully created an answer key for your Google Forms quiz or test. This feature not only saves you time but also provides immediate feedback to participants, depending on how you've set up your form. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different types of questions and answer keys in your forms. Happy form creating!